Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale advertising budgets with AdRoll, full guide step by step clearly. To scale advertising budgets effectively with AdRoll, start by defining your campaign goals. Identify your target audience and understand their preferences. Analyze previous campaign performance data to determine what's working and what's not. Set an initial budget based on your goals and the insights gained from your data. Create effective ad creatives that resonate with your audience. Use A/B testing to evaluate different ad formats and messages. Monitor your campaigns regularly to track performance metrics. Look for trends in your data that indicate successful ad placements. Gradually increase your budget for the ads that perform well. Consider reallocating funds from underperforming ads to those that generate more engagement. Utilize AdRoll's automated bidding strategies to maximize efficiency. Take advantage of retargeting features to reach users who have interacted with your brand before. Expand your reach by exploring new channels offered by AdRoll. Keep an eye on cost per acquisition to ensure your budget remains effective. Regularly review your campaign goals and adjust your strategy as necessary. Stay updated on AdRoll's features and best practices to continuously improve your approach. With these steps, you can effectively scale your advertising budgets with AdRoll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.